Now then, how are we doing? Well, today I am digging out some tree stumps. Basically, they were some really big firs, and I mean really big, sort of 60 feet plus, massive things. And anyway, they were near a building, and they were blocking light, and to be fair, they got out of control to the point that if they came down, they were just going to, you know, smash the building or at least cause some damage to other stuff. So they were taken down, and what was left is the stumps. Now we've got a stump grinder that goes on a machine, which is good for banks and whatever, embankments and, you know, stuff you can't really reach. But basically, there's going to be some other bits beside this other building, sort of hard standing and whatever. So they obviously wanted the roots out as well, so there's going to be a bit of a dig. And if you just ground the stumps down, you still have the roots to contend with. So the easiest way is, we always find, is to dig the actual stump out. Then any big roots, you can just trace those back. Smaller stuff can stay in the ground, bigger ones you can just trace back and have out. So basically what you do is using sort of smaller buckets you can get on a machine. I got an 18 on this with some, you know, good teeth. You just keep as close as you can to the stump and find the roots and just keep gnawing away at them, like a bit like an old beaver. Just keep chewing away at it, and then they'll crack through. So the bigger ones you can then trace back and just have them out, you know, until they get to a depth away from where you're digging. And the whole name of the game really is just to try and keep everything as close to the root as you can. You know, there's no good going out miles and digging a massive hole. Just keep it tight and as close as you can, and as neat as you can, really. And then you basically you can undermine the root bowl and have it out. So you just keep gnawing away at the old roots, and I say, just take your time and just try and undermine the actual root ball itself. Had a lot of good stuff going on Snapchat this week and Instagram. You know, with some of the guys that follow me on there and the stuff I follow them on, and been really good. I mean, things are starting to move as far as things like silage and that goes. A lot of people started sending pictures of silage, starting to, you know, getting on with that. That's been really good. I have 1 or 2 questions this week asking, you know, what we're up to currently. Well, this obviously, but JCB, like I say, engines away to be looked at, and I ain't heard anything yet, so well, they've started that yet. There's no desperate hurry for that. I've just got some landscaping projects on the go at the moment, and just some more in the pipeline. Now with the landscape side, obviously with the winter, not a lot goes on with that. But obviously now the weather's improved and whatever, it's been going mad, and we've got several, as I say, in the pipeline, a couple on the go at the moment. So once you've got the root out, you know, rather than just load it up and go and cart it away, try and burn it with all that soil and crap on it, because soil doesn't burn very well. What I try and do is knock it all about and sort of shake it and sort of crack away at it, and then try and carve as much of the soil away from underneath the root system as I can and get it as clean as I can. And then with a couple of weeks, you know, wind and rain on it, it's clean enough, that'll burn, you know, away to nothing. There we go. There's a little crater left there. Pick out the worst of the roots and then just backfill it. The roots themselves, as you can see, knock all that muck off, and they're a lot cleaner. And you know, leave them out for a few weeks, get a bit of weather on them, let them dry out, and then get a bit of rain to wash through, and they'll burn. They'll burn right away to nothing. Done. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. So we've got loads and loads of stuff coming up, as you well know, so I'll just keep putting it up as I film it. If you want to see more, like I said, you can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, that's at LordMuck4890, and you know, we can see loads of more what's going on there throughout the week and whatever, and I can keep up with you guys. That's all good. Like I said, feel free to subscribe, you know, please do. That's free. All you've got to do is press that red button and you'll get notifications of them when I put another video up. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Look after yourselves, and on you go.